Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Addi Egg is probably one of the most innovative and portable knitting machines on the market, allowing knitters of all skill levels to create beautiful and intricate projects with ease and speed, thanks to its unique egg shape and user-friendly design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters who want a convenient and efficient way to knit on the go. And this video will provide you with a comprehensive review and guide to help you decide if it's the right knitting machine for you. Number 5. AddiExpress Knitting Machine. It's the AddiExpress knitting machine, your new best friend for crafting. It's incredibly easy to use and lets you create a huge variety of items quickly and efficiently. Watch your projects grow before your eyes. This machine makes knitting circular or flat items a breeze. Simply crank the handle and enjoy the process. From scarves and vests to leggings and even egg warmers, it can do it all. The possibilities are truly endless with this versatile machine. It's designed for knitters of all skill levels. You'll be knitting beautiful creations in minutes, no matter your experience. It's designed and manufactured in Germany by Gustav Selter GmbH and Company. KG, ensuring quality and durability. You can trust in its superior craftsmanship. It comes with a 2-year warranty from Gustav Selter GmbH and Company. KG, protecting your investment. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like? It's incredibly fast, letting you whip up scarves and more in a flash. Its versatility means you can create various items, from circular to flat pieces. Plus, it's made in Germany, ensuring high quality. If you value speed and versatility in your knitting, this is the machine for you. What people say. The instructions are very simple, and the option of being able to not only do rounds, but to have it to stop to do flat panels is a major plus. It runs smoothly, producing uniform stitches, and hasn't been too picky with yarn types. It is easy to use once you understand how to cast on. Number 4. Addi Knitting Machine Power Adapter. Tired of hand cranking your AddiExpress knitting machine? This power adapter lets you knit faster and easier than ever before. It's perfect for all skill levels. It fits securely onto your machine's crank, making it simple to attach and remove. Enjoy the freedom of hands-free knitting. Designed specifically for AddiExpress and AddiExpress Kingsize knitting machines, it ensures a snug and secure fit. It's the perfect upgrade for your machine. Its durable conical design is built to last. Just remember to use a moderate speed drill, max 180 RPM, to avoid damage. It might feel a little tight the first time you use it, but that's normal. Just use a bit of force to screw it in. It'll fit perfectly after a few uses. This power adapter is a game changer for knitters of all levels. Get yours today and experience the joy of effortless knitting. What we like? This power adapter transforms your manual knitting machine into a speedy powerhouse. Say goodbye to hand cranking and hello to effortless knitting. It's perfect for those who want to finish projects quickly and easily. If you're looking for a way to make knitting less strenuous and more efficient, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. Works just as intended. I used it with electric screwdriver. Was able to make a hat in 20 minutes, start to finish. I've been using adapters and power screwdrivers with my scent roast for over a year with no issues, so I decided to try this one for the Addi. 1 month in and everything is working perfectly. I struggle with keeping a consistent speed when hand cranking, so my tension isn't consistent that way. With the adapter, I pull my yarn out of the skein before starting, so the tension is consistent, and my projects look way better than they ever did when I hand cranked. Bought from my Addi knitting machines. 2 arrived with 1 adapter. Fits perfectly to both machines, and the adapter fits to my electric screwdriver. Saved me a lot of pain in my arm. Number 3. AddiExpress Kingsize Kit. It's here. The new and improved AddiExpress Kingsize Extended Edition is your one-stop shop for knitting success. Everything you need to start your knitting journey is included in this amazing kit. Let's take a closer look. Inside, you'll find the knitting machine itself, along with extra needles, tools, and even yarn for your first project. This kit features a brand new, improved mechanical row counter. It makes keeping track of your rows easier than ever before. Get started right away with enough yarn to create a trendy summer loop scarf. Detailed instructions are included in the pattern book. It includes replacement needles, a threading tool, stoppers, and more. Everything you need to knit with ease and precision is right here. 2 pattern books are included, providing you with a variety of projects to choose from. Expand your knitting horizons with these detailed instructions. This high-quality kit is proudly made in Germany, ensuring durability and precision. You can trust it to help you create beautiful projects for years to come. What we like. It comes with everything you need to start knitting right away, including yarn for your first project. The included instructions make it perfect for beginners. You'll be creating trendy scarves in no time. If you're new to knitting and want a complete, easy-to-use kit, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The machine is just beautiful. Very well built. Does not look toy-like, like some other knitting machines. Made of durable plastic. Crank easily. There is 3 black hooks, unlike the 1 black hook on the Michaels knitting machine. The circular knitting works great from the beginning. It's made out of great quality material. It comes with spare needles, stoppers, instructional manual, DVD, and a pattern book. I have made over 30 hats for our local homeless shelter since purchasing this Addi knitting machine. I make double-layer hats with brims. Brim is 4 layers when folded up, much warmer for our cold winters. Number 2. AddiExpress Professional Knitting Machine. Get ready to experience knitting like never before. This upgraded machine makes knitting easier and more enjoyable than ever, with features designed for both beginners and experts. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply turn the handle to knit flat or round pieces. Create beautiful scarves, pullovers, and more in minutes. This improved version boasts a new mechanical row counter for precise tracking and comes with an array of accessories to elevate your knitting experience. With its 22 needles, it's perfect for creating circular items from 4 to 6 inches or flat pieces from 6 to 8 inches wide. It works with a variety of yarn weights. The set includes the knitting machine, a pattern book, replacement needles, a threading tool, and more, everything you need to start knitting right away. This new hook is perfectly suited for use with the machine or for other complex knitting and crochet techniques. Expand your crafting horizons. What we like. This machine boasts an improved row counter for precise knitting and is built for professional results. Even beginners will find it easy to use and create beautiful pieces quickly. If you want a high-quality machine that's both easy to use and produces professional-looking results, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great even with yarn the other one wouldn't handle. Have used this many times for many projects. There is a learning curve, but the directions are clear and I have not broken it yet. This machine has weight to it and is sturdy. It is a pleasure to work with. Number 1. AddiExpress Kingsize Knitting Machine. Get ready to experience the joy of knitting on a larger scale. It's the perfect tool for creating big, beautiful projects with ease. Let's open the box and see what's inside. You'll find everything you need to get started, including 46 needles, the knitting machine itself, a pattern book, and extra accessories. With 46 needles, it allows for larger projects and faster knitting. It's designed for comfortable and efficient knitting. It offers versatility. Create stunning circular pieces up to 15 inches in diameter or wide flat knits up to 18 inches. The included hook is perfect for use with the machine or for other knitting and crochet techniques. The pattern book is full of inspiring ideas to get you started. It's suitable for yarn counts 4 to 8. You can create a wide variety of projects with different yarn weights. This machine is crafted with precision and quality you can trust. It's built to last and provide years of knitting enjoyment. Please be aware that this is an international product and may have some differences compared to local products. Check the details before purchasing. What we like. With its larger size, you can create extra wide items. It comes with a premium hook for easier handling and more intricate projects. If you need a machine for larger scale knitting projects and appreciate high quality tools, this is the perfect option. What people say. The AddiExpress knitting machine has quickly become one of my favorite crafting tools, prompting me to purchase a second one after my first began to wear down. I absolutely love the versatility it offers, allowing me to create a wide variety of knitted hats as gifts for friends and family. The machine is very well made and durable. With all my mistakes, it is not damaged yet. This machine is amazing, can make projects in just minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.